right, guys, this is the 26th hired request on the 2018 hired request list. Stevie Wonder, Golden Lady. Let's take a listen here. There we go. All right, guys. All the lessons for this will be on my website. I don't have it written up there, but webpianoteacher.com, webpianoteacher.com. We'll do the part one right here, get you started, and let's get going. B above middle C, and we'll have B again, and then E, C sharp. I'll use 5-2-1 for that, and then A, E, C sharp. I'll use 4-2-1 for that. Bum, 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 bum. You can pedal that a little bit. Makes it nice. Then you hold that last B. So da da da. We'll do the same thing in the next measure, and then we'll start off with the same thing in the third measure. This far, but at that point the left hand comes in with a low C sharp octave. I only put one C sharp there, but it's an octave, just to make the board as simple as possible. C sharp, D, E, G. Da, 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 da. So right. Then when the left hand plays the A, that's when you come in C sharp, D, E. And it comes in loud. You kind of start soft, and then you get loud there. Da, 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 da. Now when we get to that G natural, we're going to play C sharp, E, G, A. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 my fingering. Hold it for a while. Then we do a D chord in first inversion. That means even though it's a D chord, D, F sharp, A, D is not on the bottom, and F sharp is F sharp octave. The right hand has A, D, F sharp, A, with 1, 2, 4, 5, and then we have an E chord here. Okay, it's A flat, B natural, D flat. Left hand will have an F octave, and then for our last chord here for our part one, we'll have a G flat chord with an A flat mixed in. We call it a G flat 9 or a G flat add 2. Some people have different ways of calling it, but G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat. Left hand on a G flat. You roll it. That's a little upward arrow. That's how I notate an arpeggiation there. Okay? So from the beginning, softer, and then we go. Okay, so we'll finish it. There's on the website webpianoteacher.com, but there's lots more to go. There's a whole page of this. I'm zoomed in here on this first couple of measures. There's a whole page, and then quite a bit of another page after that. So it's really good for if you want to stretch out and learn more than just your basic 3-note chords. If you'd like to learn some 7th chords, 9th chords, jazz chord kind of stuff, Stevie Wonder is always good for that. So hope you guys enjoyed the part one lesson. Talk to you later.